Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Zeldah and my brand is Zeldah Skin Co. I'm currently working at Njerere and I started my business in 2023. I started my business mostly because I figured that I needed extra money. Yes, so I decided to start a skin brand so that I can generate some side income while studying. At the moment, like in my hand here, I have body butters, which are for the skin. Like it helps reduce dry skin, repairs dry skin, and keeps your skin smooth and soft. And then I also have body scrubs, which also basically does the same thing. My products are available nationwide through courier. People must choose my products because I sell quality. They come with good smell, like fragrances, and then they're smooth and safe to use on the skin. I do have an Instagram page, it's Zeldah Skin Co. I also have, people can also contact me on WhatsApp on 063 740 9699. Hi, my name is Zelda and I'm a township entrepreneur.